How to stop calls from appearing on your iPad. So if phone calls from your iPhone are popping up on your iPad, I'm going to show you how to go and turn off this feature. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your iPhone and load up your settings. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see the phone app and go and click on this. Now scroll down until you see calls on other devices and select this. And you can either just toggle off the feature for allow calls on other devices, or you can go and individually select the device you want to stop the calls from. So for example, I can just go and turn off my iPad from this list. And once you've done that, you need to head over to your iPad. Now go and load up the settings on your iPad. From the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Apps. And then scroll down again and select FaceTime. Now go and scroll down and make sure FaceTime is turned off and disabled. And once you've applied all of these settings, that will stop phone calls from appearing on your iPad.